What is up, everybody?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to be installing rain guards on Juan's TRD Pro here. So let's get started. Alright guys, so another easy mod for the Tacoma. Should be just 4 pieces of the rain guard with 3M tape on each one of them, and should be just a peel and tape it on installation. Two pieces for the back, 2 pieces for the front, and they give you a little scrubber thing to wash your window with the alcohol wipes. So let's do that first. Alright guys, so just make sure it fits first of all. So before removing the tape, just kind of line it up and it should fit right like that. And then the instructions tell you that you got to clean the inside here before you do stick it on, because it is pretty dirty. Just run my finger across. See, it's pretty dirty in there. So they give you this piece right here, and we're just gonna stick it in between, and we're just gonna run it down a couple times. It's pretty dirty. Let's do it again. Alright, and then they do also include some alcohol wipes here, and there's 4, 1 for each window. And then we're gonna, wow, so big. There we go. So it's big enough for you guys to wrap your finger around it and clean it. And look how dirty that is. Let's do it one more time. Flip it around. There you go. And then alcohol dries up pretty quick, so we're just gonna give it a couple seconds here. We're gonna start peeling this off while we let that dry. I'm going to take this part. Let's peel off the 3M.
Alright, so we're gonna install it by first putting the front end in first, and then following it up with the rest. And then once you get it in there, you're gonna want to give it pressure towards you. After you guys have applied pressure, what you guys are going to do is then roll the windows up. Just like that. Just so that the pressure from the glass is actually going to hold up and push in the visors.
Alright guys, so same thing in the rear. You just got to make sure it matches up, lines up. Stick it in real quick, make sure it sits right. And that looks good. So once again, we're going to use the scrubber here and a new piece of alcohol wipe. Run it on the inside again. Good. Wrap it around your finger.
Alright, once you guys have the 3M tape off, what you guys want to do is just put it up in there. Just like that. And then apply pressure to the top and the sides. Then we're going to roll up the window again just to hold the pressure.
So the reason why we switch off here is because it's his truck, so if he messes it up, it's not my fault. Check out my puppy, guys. His name is Janggu. He's named after a Korean little character. What's up, buddy? Alright, let's do the last window here. Where'd he go? There he is. Janggu, say hi. Say hi. Alright.
Alright, this last part. That's it.
Done. Another easy mod for your Tacoma. And actually, I've never thought about rain guards for your Tacoma because it rains. It actually just looks a lot better. Looks a lot cleaner with the rain guards. So
actually, there's another option. There is the WeatherTech. That was the other option that I was gonna buy, and the reason why I didn't buy that one is because it's double the price for some whatever reason. But if you guys feel like spending more money, then that's up to you guys.
guys, before you start pushing on the rain guard to stay permanently, I would suggest making sure all the 3M film is hidden, because Twan's anal right now because there's a teeny tiny spot in there that shows 3M tape. That spot right in the middle there. And he's
OCD about it.
Real sad right now. And that is why I did not put it on for him. Alright, now he's just taking off the whole thing because he's too OCD. Let's see if he can fix this.
No problem.
Here goes. And this was the first window we did. All the other windows are perfect. Can't see the 3M tape behind it. So yeah, make sure you guys look on the inside and make sure the tape isn't showing if you're OCD like this guy.
Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to check out more videos. See ya.